Oh, hello guys, welcome into my channel. After reacting to Amer and Lilith, right now we're gonna react again to the first take. So, happy New Year again, guys. I'm late to reacting on it, but just because I just saw it and I'm not expecting it, but I may, you know, I expecting many days because it's been a while that Amer just upload the first take. Not only Amer, guys, I forgot who are the last reaction that I made, but we're gonna act to them. So right now we're gonna act to SixTONES. So I just searched about them. SixTONES is a Japanese idol boy group. So formed by Associated Johnny and Associates in 2015. The group was previously a subunit in Johnny Associates pre-debut touring group, made their official debut on January 2020. Wow, 5.2 million pieces copies of album. Wow, physical. Wow. So I'm so excited. So we're gonna act to the Imitation. So I'm so excited, guys. This is the first time I just saw them. If they are a group, I will gonna react to them, but it will take me a while to know them and to have a time. But I will put a time for it. So before anything, click the notification bell and subscribe my channel for more information and reaction videos. So I'm gonna lower my audio. I don't know if it will be copyright, something like that. So guys, in 3, 2, 1, and go. So we're gonna allow the audio first. When they come to sing, I will just lower it. So, the members is Yugo Koichi, Taiga Kyomoto, Juri Tanaka, Hokuto Matsumura, Jesse, Shintaro Morimoto. Oh. I just searched about that. I'm so excited. This is the first time. I just lowered the volume, guys. I just lower here, guys, but I'm gonna put a sound. Guys, there's a subtitle, guys, ha. I just put it. Wow. I'm gonna put a subtitle, guys. I just downloaded it. I'm gonna put. Wow. Wait. Your vocal type. This is the first time I watched a group in the first day. They are a ballad group. I felt like. Oh, why I don't know them? Wow, the piano I still don't know them, guys. The members. Hardly to memorize. I will take a while. Wow, I feel like I'm watching a B2B of K-pop group. Ooh. Oh, I feel like I heard it before. Not that too long, but I feel like I heard it. The vibe of this song is kind of remind me of old, not that old, it's like 2000 sound. Official track. Yes. I really like the lyrics, guys. It's so beautiful indeed. Oh, wait. What? Wow, that low note is everything. And the violin, oh, the bass guys. Yeah. Oh yeah, Fate. I can do it, guys. I really like the transition. Ooh. Wait, it just changed. We reach. They are a ballad group, guys. Oh my god, I felt that. Ooh. I really love the vocal control, guys. The breathing. Wow! Oh my god! The piano is so good. Ay, piano. Violin. I feel like I'm watching a OST. They're really good. How change note is so everything. Mm. Ah, this is good. This is kaya pala. Now I know why it is six tones. Now I know. They have a different, distinct tones. But if you just put it in together, it's so good. I hate to say it, but I really love them. I'm gonna search about them later. Later because I just watching K-drama, guys. Don't worry, find me like this. I'm just enjoying. Wow, that piano. I'm just enjoying my vacation, guys. But I'm not gonna stop reacting. You know, it's just come with me. I really love them, guys. The first take by Imitation. I really like the Imitation Rain. So the title is Imitation Rain. So I'm so sorry. Imitation Rain. What? I really love the cover, guys. I really love, not the cover. I really like the cover here, but I really like the song, guys. I really like their song. I really like everything. You know what? I just understand this is a vocal group. It's not that typical group like dancing type song, but they have distinct genre, distinct point of a group. There's a lot of group like that, especially when you just while I'm watching them, I just eventually notice myself that I just saw B2B. You just know B2B, a K-pop group, and this kind of thing that they are really strong on is vocal. And I just felt like I'm seeing them in here, but I'm not comparing or contrasting or maybe making a comparison. But the thing is, I really love B2B, guys. Oh my god. And the song is kind of remind me of old 2000 song. I really love the feeling that guy. It's been a while that I listen this kind of song, I'm not that too old, guys. Hello, I'm just 21. So I'm so happy that we're able to react to them. So I'm so gladly to see what the title of their group is. SixTONES. So it make a judgment. We heard the really distinct voice and a really distinct tone. When you just put it together, it's like a piano. You need just to play it in the same or in the perfect note so that it can be beautiful as it is. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like reaction video of the first take. So Imitation Rain. So guys, thank you and goodbye. Bye bye.